So I think the light's too much. There we go. The bottom one, the 447, these are both Moog. The bottom one is the weird U-joint that goes from the big 400 size to the smaller turbo or 700 R4 size. The see that clip in there, the copper color, they're thinner than like what you would get from the regular one. This piece, these are thicker. So if you're trying to reuse your old ones, keep in mind that they're a little thinner. You're going to need that thickness centers it. And then let's see, the 235, that's the back one. That's back here. So we got two brand new U-joints in this. Let's slide under the truck and put it in. We got the drive shaft in, new universal joints. Oh, I'm crawling around on my elbows. There we go. I don't know, doesn't seem like a whole lot of engagement there. It's about halfway in, I guess. I'd like it to be in like another, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch. It's in enough for me to drive it in and out of the big garage once I get it running. Then I can fine tune this, make it bigger. But drive shaft is in. Now I gotta do all the little things like, you know, secure the cross brace, put a nut on for the mount, which, is that a new mount? I can't remember. But that's it. Main thing is that's in. I can put fluid in it and you know, motivate me to put electric to this and run it. So I put some fluid in and baby steps, you know. Let's go top side. Okay, hopefully you can see what I'm doing. See where the exhaust comes down. I'm going to eventually like 45 this here, but these are coming out like, no matter how I position them, they're coming out like right at the exhaust. So my thought was, which now that I'm looking at this, it's not a good thought. Was to use these where was I going to go with these? That's not going to do it. Okay, let me get the 290s that I got again. Today I'm finally editing my videos and losing track of where I'm at, but I think I got this already. I wanted that universal joint, or not universal joint, the slip yoke to be in the transmission some more. I've got that drive shaft over there, which is slightly longer. I'm thinking about getting that cut down to fit, to make this a little longer, so it goes in. I get a little more engagement in that transmission. But for today, let me slide over here. For today, I got these 90 degrees. I'll put these on. Yep, meant to do that. There we go, we're going to take these off. They don't want to let go. I'm just going to cut a new piece. How about that? Yeah. There we go. There we go. I like that. So this will do just to get us running. I'm going to wind up doing like steel braided lines with the crimped ends and all that. I don't have the money for that right now, and this is the next solution just to get this thing running. You know what I mean? I'm not going to be driving this on the street like this, obviously, but one step closer. And this is my exhaust here. I know you guys have seen it a dozen times, but that's how close it is to my transmission. That's why I was concerned about it. Anyway, that's it for this. Let's move on.